स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेंड थिंग दैट सेंस फॉर मार्केट ओवरनाइट गिफ्ट निफ्टी US Fed policy to Tesla Microsoft earning. Gift Nifty was trading around 25,364 level, a discount of the nearly 86 points from the Nifty future previous close, indicating a negative start for the Indian stock market indices. The Indian stock market benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty 50 are expected to open lower on Thursday following mixed global market cues and ahead of the release of the Economic Survey 2025 and 2026 later today. Indian market trade mixed while the US stock market ended mostly higher after the US Federal Reserve kept interest rates unchanged. And meanwhile, the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitaraman will table the Economic Survey 2025 to 26 in the Parliament today, ahead of the presentation of the Union Budget 2026 on Sunday, February 1. On Wednesday, the Indian stock market ended with the healthy gain aimed at buying across the segment, supported by optimism over in India-EU free trade agreement. The Sensex railed and 487.20 points or 0.60% to close at 82,344.68, while the Nifty 50 settled 167.35 points or 0.66% higher at 25,342.75. The positive market momentums over the last 2 days could continue, supported by positive statements and around the India-EU FTA and the upcoming budget, while the tracking global cues and the ongoing Q3 earnings session, said the Siddharth Khemka, head of research wealth management, Motilal Oswal Finance Service Ltd. Asian market trade mixed on the Thursday after the US Federal Reserve policy Japanese Nikkei 2025 gained 0.18% while the topics fell 0.57%. South Korea's Kospi jumps 1.09% and the Kosdaq's rail 2.69%. Hong Kong Hong Seng Index feature indicated a lower operating.